the new Tapo!
Can you really get a premium robot vacuum experience without spending $1,000? We've been hearing a lot about Tapo recently, a smart home brand under TP-Link, the world's #1 provider of Wi-Fi devices. So we were really excited to put the new Tapo RV50 Pro Omni to the test. After using it throughout our home, it's safe to say that this robot offers an impressive combination of performance, features, and convenience. With powerful suction, advanced mopping, a pet-friendly anti-tangle system, intelligent navigation, and a fully automated dock, it packs many of the features you normally expect from much more expensive models, all for under $600. Today, I'll walk you through the 3 biggest reasons I think this is one of the best robot vacuums you can buy in this price range. First, let's talk about maintenance, because this is where the RV50 really separates itself from a lot of robots in the same mid-range category. One of the biggest advantages of the RV50 is how much maintenance it eliminates. Instead of constantly emptying the dustbin, washing the mop pads by hand, untangling hair, and refilling detergent, the Omni Dock handles almost everything for you. After every cleaning session, it automatically empties debris into a sealed dust bag that can hold up to 2 months worth of dirt while keeping clean and dirty water separated. One key feature that you don't usually see in this price range is that it can wash the mop pads with 140-degree hot water and then dry the mop pads with 122-degree warm air so they're fresh and ready for the next cleaning. It even automatically dispenses the correct amount of detergent, so there's one less thing to think about. For pet owners, another standout feature is the anti-tangle system. Its tangle-free cutting brush, anti-tangle side brush, and caster wheel help prevent pet hair and long hair from wrapping around the brushes.
Starting brush haircut.
Hair is removed back at the dock instead of during cleaning, which means far less maintenance and a more pet-friendly design that's gentler around tails and loose fur. The second reason this robot stands out is how well it actually cleans. The RV50 delivers an impressive cleaning performance with 15,000 pascals of suction, easily picking up dust, debris, and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. Its dual spinning mop pads rotate at 180 RPMs with downward pressure to scrub away dried-on messes, while deep edge technology helps clean closer to walls and baseboards. One feature I really like is the automatic mop lift and detachment. When the robot detects carpet, it lifts the mop pads to avoid getting the carpet wet. And before cleaning high pile carpet, the robot is able to completely detach the mop pads at the base station so your rugs stay completely dry. And if you have pets, the Pet Zones feature is incredibly useful. You can create custom cleaning zones around litter boxes, food bowls, or pet beds with higher suction or more frequent cleaning, so the robot focuses extra attention where your pets create the biggest mess. The third reason I think the Tapo RV50 offers such great value is how dependable it is for everyday cleaning. It offers up to 250 minutes of runtime, and if it needs to recharge, it intelligently calculates how much battery it needs to finish the job instead of always charging to 100%, helping to reduce downtime. Navigation has been excellent during our testing. With LiDAR smart mapping and dual laser obstacle avoidance, it creates accurate maps, avoids furniture and cords, and supports multiple floor maps for multi-level homes. It also fits seamlessly into most smart homes with Matter support, making it compatible with Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, Home Assistant, and voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. So after spending time testing the Tapo RV50, who do I think it's really for? If you have pets, I honestly think this is one of the easiest robot vacuums to live with under $600. Between the automatic maintenance, anti-tangle hair management, powerful suction, spinning mop system, carpet protection, customizable pet zones, and reliable navigation, it checks almost every box most families are looking for. There are certainly more expensive robot vacuums with additional premium features, but considering everything you're getting here, the value is extremely impressive. If your budget is under $600 and you're looking for a robot vacuum that requires very little maintenance while doing an excellent job keeping up with pet hair and everyday messes, The Tapo RV50 Pro Omni is easily one of the strongest options we've tested. Check the link below for an exclusive $100 discount code, bringing the final price down to $499. Tapo isn't just vacuums, it's a brand that keeps innovating. So don't miss out, go check it out now.